Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post haul videos, vlogs, DIYs, shop with me's, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I went to multiple stores this week and I found some goodies, some of my favorite restocks. So grab a snack, let's get into it. First, we got these Guru Nanda ready to go butter on gums travel little toothbrushes. These are great, trust me. So got that. Then we got the River and Row honey butter body cream. I absolutely love this stuff. So got that. Then in my last video I found the pineapple hemp, but this one is just the original. So we have the original and the pineapple. Pineapple I love way more, but this is still very moisturizing. So we got that. Now let's get the other bags. Okay, so I did get another one of the ultra moisturizing hand cream, Susan Rose olive oil. I used the coconut one last night, and let me tell you, my hands cleared up so much. So this is a great stocking stuffer for somebody, so got that. Then I found this new shaving cream by White Rain Boutique Collection, sensitive shave cream with aloe vera, shaving cream made to nourish and protect healthy skin. So I will try anything for sensitive skin because I have it. So I'm excited to try this. So we got this to try. Then I said in my other video I had the Elsa lip balm too. I couldn't find it. It was in the other bag. So this is vanilla scented, just little Elsa lip balm. And then I said I did have the teddy bear somewhere and I found it. Now we have the strawberry teddy bear lip balm. And then this is my favorite little contour, and it's the fair medium that I can never find. So when I find my shade, snagged. So we got this, love it. And then I found this bronzer, the liquid bronzer in macchiato medium brown. So I'm excited to try this one too. And then I did find some new little what are they called? Cosmetic bag. Again, these are $1.50, but I think they're so cute. I don't like it's worth it. So we have this pink puffer, and then this like green army puffer, and then a black one, and like a dark blue. So yeah, these are so cute. I just love the puffer part. And so yeah, for $1.50, still not bad. So we got those. Then let's dig into my bag. So all over TikTok, I've been seeing people find like the hair straighteners and all this makeup for 25 cents. This is the only 25-cent item I found so far, are these hair ties. But I'm going to new locations today as I'm filming this, so I hope I find like 25-cent hair straighteners and all that. So we'll see. We'll see. But for now, I got one 25-cent item. It's this. And then I did get the Laid Back Champagne Liquid Eyeshadow, because I wore liquid eyeshadow yesterday and it did not bother me. So I got this to try, because why not? And then I got this little banana lip gloss for a stocking stuffer. I'm just pulling out of my bag. Got the most best primer for a stocking stuffer. Same with the glitter case stocking stuffer. Strawberry scented hair tie, watermelon scented hair ties, stocking stuffer. The best makeup puffs, stocking stuffer. The little jelly lip balm as a stocking stuffer. Yeah, everything I'm showing you right now are stocking stuffers. Then we have the passion fruit lip gloss lip balm. This one's for me though. Passion fruit. I love the packaging of this, so got that. Then what else? Stocking stuffer. Another stocking stuffer gift. Then oh yeah, this collection. The Glass Glow. Oh, that is so hard to show. The Glass Skin Glow. So this is the moisturizer. So this is the Glass Peptide Moisturizer. And then I got the serum. And then I got the toner. I did not get the face wash, but I got the rest of the collection, so we shall see. Then, as stocking stuffers, this one store that had a grand opening, they had these bad boys. So we got one of each, and then the matching cases to go with these. Next bag. So I picked up 2 more of these little charms because these are going on my Vogue bag dupe. So got those. Then I went to this new Dollar Tree that just opened, so they had kind of throwbacky stuff in a way. So I got these scented pens, strawberry, blueberry, and grape. Got those, super random. Then the heat resistance mats are coming back, and these are fantastic. The other day I literally straightened my hair with the purple one, so I picked up this black one for traveling, so we got that. My cat just jumped up on the table. Got that. And then we got these hair ties. These were 25 cents. I'm doing a whole video on all the 25-cent stuff I found. It's probably going to be 2 or 3 videos, honestly. But yeah, so look out for those videos. But these were 25 cents. So definitely snag those. Then found the new little spa headbands. These are by Omar. So we got this purpley heart one. We got the pink smiley face. These are handmade, it says. Got this cow print. These are great gifts. Leopard, my favorite. And then the tie-dye. So we got all of those. Then I did get another restock of my honey ginger lipstick. I love this stuff. This is going in the travel bag. Then we got the liquid blush and cinnamon cream for the travel bag. And then we did get the full coverage concealer by Lee Mercier in light and creamy. Oh wait, that's not the shade. Flawless Finish is the shade. I like her stuff, so I was like, you know what, let's try the concealer. Got the concealer. And then we got another shade of the Pro Luxe. This is in linen. We're going to try this shade because, why not? So that's our second bag. That is actually the last bag of that haul. Yeah, I went to a new store with the grand opening, got a lot of stuff, so yeah, but that is my little Dollar Tree haul. It's a short one this time, but still found some goodies. I can't wait to film the videos with all my 25-cent stuff that I found because it is insane. It's probably going to be 3 different videos, literally. So yeah, you don't want to miss that, so definitely hit that subscribe button down there, and I will see you guys in my next video.